right, guys. So I want to walk you through how to change your slide size in Google Slides, and it's really easy process, guys. All you need to do is go into File, and File, scroll down to Page Setup, and here I currently have it at Custom. So this is 10 by 10, and it's inches. I can choose all of these different measurements, or I can choose a preset. And so if I wanted 4:3, I would hit apply, and you'll see that it is now 4 by 3. It's going to default to a widescreen 16 by 9. So when you open up a new presentation, this is where you'll be. But if you need to change that to whatever it is, just remember, go to Page Setup and go to whatever it is you want the size to be. So just move it back to 10 by 10 so you can see that. Now, any slide that we add is going to be this 5 by 5. I'm sorry, 10 by 10. So pretty easy video. Hope it helps. If it does, like and subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye.